Renee, and remember when I was out harvesting these wonderful pearl white onions, I said I would be working on a project today? Well, here is a quick little snippet of some of the ingredients that I will be using in this special project, and I'm hoping by the end of this video you guys will already know what my special project will be. So of course we're going to have the onions, we got some beautiful garlic, we have some basil, and look how green and beautiful that basil looks, and the aroma is so intense. I love the smell of basil. And then we have some beautiful ripe Roma tomatoes, and I did not grow these in my garden, but I'm hoping the ones that I have out there come out just as beautiful as these. Look at this one. It is so red, plump, juicy, and it is ready to go in my special project. And of course, the star of the attraction is what? Everybody knows what this is, of course. So that will be part of my special project too. Alright, so less talking and let me get to going. Cutting, dicing, sauteing, all the things I need in order to get my special project completed. And when I'm done, I will come back and show you at the end of this video what that special project was. So don't step away, don't even blink, because you're definitely going to want to stay tuned and see what Miss Renee is cooking up in her kitchen today. All right, don't move. I'm watching you. Here's another sneak peek into my project. Look at this. These tomatoes are covered with onions and garlic, and they smell amazing. Let me bring you in so you can see exactly how those Roma tomatoes look. They are gorgeous. Oh, look how vibrant. And look at all the garlic and the onions that are coated on them, infusing those flavors together. OMG. This is going to be amazing. I cannot wait till we get done with this project so I can reveal, if you haven't already guessed, what Miss Renee is making in her kitchen today. So let me get back to getting this project completed, and I'll give you another sneak peek in a little while. Hey guys, here is another part of our project. Have you guessed what it is yet? On top of this beautiful tomato puree, I have put some basil in it. So now I'm going to take my spoon and we're going to mix this up into this tomato puree. Look at the colors. The red and the green. It's just going to infuse those flavors. And this basil is just so aromatic. Oh, my kitchen smells so good, you guys. I'm so excited about this. I think at this point, I may even cut up some more basil and put it into this tomato puree. Alright, let me get back to making my special delicious sauce. Alright, stay tuned. Are you still with me? Don't leave me now. You're going to be so impressed with the final product. Alright guys, let's get to cooking. This is the finished product. Did you guys guess what Miss Renee was trying to make? I was trying to make my own tomato sauce, and I was trying to do the garlic and basil tomato sauce that I found in the Ball's Preserving book. But let me tell you about that. When I followed the directions explicitly like they had it in the book, it had a very mild flavor, and it called for 8 garlic cloves and like 1/4 teaspoon of basil. Well, I put an enormous amount of basil in there, at least 2 cups of basil, and it said 8 cloves of garlic. Miss Renee put in at least 12. to give it that garlicky basil type of flavor. I had to doctor this tomato sauce up. I had to add my own herbs like thyme and some parsley and some oregano, some black pepper. I even put a little dash of lemon juice in there to bring it up to my flavor profile. You may enjoy the way that the recipe was designed, but you know me, I always say when I'm in the kitchen and you guys are in the kitchen cooking with Miss Renee, I always say my dishes need to be full of flavor. So that's how I did it. So let me show you the finished product. So this is the finished product. My tomato sauce, and I made some elbow macaroni, and I drizzled, or I should say sprinkled, some of my dehydrated onion tops on top, and then I had some of that Parmesan cheese I put on the top. And look how delicious that looks. And then on the side, I am just having a little Caesar salad. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh, and I wasn't able to can the tomato sauce like I wanted to because the recipe called for 60 tomatoes, but I decided to use half the recipe, which was 30. And after you saw how much I had in my saucepan over there, I think I would have been able to get at least 2 jars of tomato sauce. So next time I do it, I have learned that I need a lot more tomatoes. Trust and believe, the next time Miss Renee does this, I am going to be filling that pot up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And let me give you one more last look of my creation with my tomato sauce. Alright, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And don't forget, get out there in your garden, grow something healthy for yourself, your family, and some friends. Take care.